Are you tired of sifting through piles of construction documents and drawing? Discover how Aconex can simplify your workflow. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naresh Punia. I work as a project quantity surveyor at AECOM in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And today we are going to talk about Aconex. 12 years ago, when I started working in a residential high-rise project, I saw a lot of documents flowing in and out. And to properly control all these documents was a mammoth task. Of course, we had system to process all the documents. For instance, for all the drawings, whenever we used to receive a drawing, we used to stamp it with date and revision number. And whatever superseded drawings we had, we used to stamp it with void. But even after so much system, we still had instances of rework happening at site because the information reached at a later stage to the concerned person. You can use these processes in small projects, but for mega projects, you cannot use a system which has so many chances of rework happening. But because for mega projects, rework means losing tons of money for both the client and the contractor. So the best tool to properly maintain all the data and document on a construction site is Aconex. I first heard about Aconex some 5 years ago, but I was not working on Aconex directly. But when I moved to my new job, I got to know that I had to use Aconex for my day-to-day tasks. So I decided to develop deeper understanding of Aconex. Here's what I found. What is Aconex? Aconex is an online collaboration software which is designed for construction industry, and its main goal is to connect all the stakeholders at one platform. What makes Aconex so special? Quite a few things actually. Number one, it trims down almost 50% of the documentation process. It takes care of the log on its own, so it updates that who made the changes in the document and at what time. It also takes care of the revision number. So when someone sends a transmittal wherein there are drawings in there, in the recipient's document register, it's automatically updated with the revised revision number. So Aconex make it easy for everyone to know in real time what is the current revision of a document and when it was issued. It also gives access to everyone at site about the latest engineering instruction. Second most important thing in Aconex is the file that are sent on Aconex cannot be recalled or deleted. That brings in a lot of trust on the system. So this was a little something about Aconex. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on Aconex, do let me know in the comments because we have barely scratched the surface. If you come so far, then please consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.